Let me show you how to connect Meta Ads to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and generate a full campaign performance report. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose Facebook ads from the available platforms and set the permissions. Log in with your Facebook account to authorize InsightfulPipe. Select the ad account you want to connect. The connection is saved. Now copy the Facebook Ads MCP Server URL from the guide page. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the Facebook Ads MCP URL and click Add. The Facebook Ads connector is now added. Click Connect to authorize it. The connector is now connected to Claude. Now let's use it. Write a prompt asking Claude to pull Meta Ads campaign performance data for the last 30 days. The prompt asks for campaign names, spend, impressions, clicks, CTR, CPC, purchases, and purchase value. It also asks to generate a structured report with top performers, underperformers, and recommendations. Claude connects to your Meta Ads account through InsightfulPipe, loads the tools, runs all the queries, and starts building the report. Here is the Meta Ads campaign performance report covering the last 30 days. The account overview shows 218,000 in total spend, 4.3 million impressions, over 247,000 clicks, and a blended ROAS of 4.98. The top performing campaign section shows Spring Discovery leading with over 943,000 in purchase value at a 5.04 ROAS, followed by new arrivals with the highest efficiency at 6.07 ROAS. The report highlights key performance trends and includes detailed recommendations for budget allocation, audience targeting, creative strategy, and new campaigns to launch. Claude summarizes the key takeaways, identifying Spring Discovery as the volume engine and new arrivals as the efficiency star, while flagging lead gen and brand awareness as underperformers to optimize. That's Meta Ads connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.